बैक ऑफ 180 कैलाश चंद्र भाग 2 लिखिए। दे सेलेक्टेड 45 projects and allotted them to the various states, to all the 15 states, and each project covered 3 to 5 community development blocks with a population of roughly 3 to 5 lakhs, so that a fairly substantial population was immediately covered. And then they carried out a comprehensive and thorough survey of these pilot projects areas. These 45 areas, which covered 3 to 5 community development blocks with a population of 3 to 5 lakhs. These 45 pilot project areas were selected in such a way that somewhere these areas were such where agriculture was prosperous, and yet there was a large population pressing on the soul, which could not be employed either wholly or even partially. There were areas which were backward from the agricultural point of view, where agriculture was difficult due to irrigation not being available and due to other factors, where even agriculturists owning lands were not comfortable economically. There were the absolutely unfavorably area climatically and otherwise, which were backward and which had to be developed from every point of view, agriculture, industry, and everything. They also selected areas from the tribal areas and other so-called backward areas. A thorough survey was undertaken of these 45 pilot project areas, because it is no use trying to set up industry or even select the industry which are going to be set up in these areas unless we have a thorough survey of all the economic factors concerning each area selected. It will be appreciated immediately that each area selected will have its own problems, will have its own environments, will have its own complex of population, skilled and everything else, which will make a particular selection necessary for that areas, whereas it will be wholly inappropriate in another areas. That is why a thorough survey was undertaken. I think Mr. T.N. Singh was then member of the Planning Commission when this was undertaken. They carried out a thorough survey of this area, and the survey continued until July 1963, when we had more or less a fair idea of the problems of these 45 pilot project areas, and then formulation of the program started about the beginning of 1964 after the survey was completed, because after the facts were a certain, the programs had to be finalized, and that took further 3 to 4 months. The programs had been finalized in the beginning of 1964, and for the implementation of the programs selected for these 45 pilot projects, the Planning Commission has been providing funds